Which flights are displayed in the Amadeus availability display?
The flights which are in which the seats are available or they are in a waiting list. Those flights are displayed in the Amadeus display.
Right. What is the main advantage of scheduled display?
The main advantage of scheduled display as it shows the flights in which there is no seat available.
Right. What is the command to be given to the information about a specific flight?
Information about specific flight is DO6, where DO is a transaction code and 6 is a line number.
Right. If you want to see the flight information of a specific airline, what command has to be given?
About specific airline, it's like transaction code. Then after that
Transaction
airline
code name?
DO, and then after that airline code, then flight number, then oblique, then date.
Right. What command you will use when you wanted to check flight between two cities on specific date and the specific time?
SN, then after that date, then departure airport code and arrival airport code, and after that time.
Right. Which alphabet is used for first class in Amadeus?
For first class, PFA.
Right. What command is used to get the flight information along with the seat availability in the flight?
Flight information along with the seat availability. It's AN, and then after that date, then departure airport code, arrival airport code, then time.
Right. Which alphabet is used for business class in Amadeus?
For business class, JCD.
Right. If you have to come back from Munich to London in the evening of 7 p.m. on 28 August, what command will you give for that?
TCR, then date, then time.
Right. If you omit the departure time from the command, then the system will show you which time information.
Omit what?
If you omit the departure time from the command, then system will show you which time information.
It will take midnight time.
Right. If the arrival date is omitted, then system will show which date's information.
Current date or today's date.
Right. What do you mean by codeshare flight?
Codeshare flight, where in a single flight or a single airline, some of the seats have been shared by two airlines.
Right. What do you mean by colon code?
Colon code representing codeshare flight.
Right. If C code is used in the flight display, what does it mean?
It's a charter flight.
Right. Which alphabet is used for economy class in Amadeus?
Economy class, YWS.
Right. Which alphabet is used for discounted economy class in Amadeus?
BHV, आगे पीछे होंगे, BHV KL MQT.
Right. What command is used to find out the seat availability from an existing timetable?
From existing timetable, it's TCAN.
TC is
TC is a transaction code and AN is a display code.
right. What do you mean by neutral flight availability?
Neutral flight availability shows the number of seats that are been available in a current flight, in flights.
Right. Which flight has a seat available? What is it called in Amadeus?
It is the display in timetable. Availability in timetable.
Right. If a flight flies 7 days, then what code is used for that?
D.
Right. How many maximum digit flight number can have?
4.
Right. If you want to details about the flight from London to Munich at 2 p.m. on August 10, what command will you have to give in Amadeus for that?
Transaction code, then time,
Transaction code.
TN, then date, then departure airport code, then arrival airport code, and then time. Repeat करूँ. TN, then date, then departure airport code, arrival airport code, then time.
Right. If the departure date is omitted, then the system will show which date's information.
Current date or today's date.
Right. If we do not write the time and date in the command, then what the system will display?
Current time or current date, whichever.
Right.